Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Outer Worlds 2 gamepad or controller not working issue. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC once. So for that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After that, check if controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update controller drivers. For that, first you need to connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices. Now select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search if there is any update available, and after updating, restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, launch Steam and go to the properties. I will show you. Just launch Steam. Now, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller. Here you have to select enable Steam input and then launch the game and see controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, check if controller is working. If not, next is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and then check if it is working or not. So after going to Steam under library section, select your game and then check if there is any update available. You can see this kind of update option will be available. You simply have to click on update option, and once the update is finished, check if gamepad or controller is working or not. Next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on check for updates and this will check if any update is available. After updating your Windows, check if it has helped you. Next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings over here. Now here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices. Your controller will be added over here. You simply need to click on 3 dot icon, then click on remove device. After that, restart your system. Once restart, again come back and here you have to add your controller, add a device. After adding it, then check if controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to launch Steam in big picture mode. So for that, launch Steam. Now here you can see the big picture mode option is there. You simply need to click on it. Now once you entered the big picture mode, you have to launch the game and see if it's launching or not. Simply click on play button and then check if you can play it. If yes, then you have to exit big picture mode. For that, click on Steam. Now click on power, then select exit big picture mode. So once done, now check if controller is working or not. If not, next is to install DS4 Windows tool. This is an important method. You can follow it to fix the issue. What you need to do is simply go through the link that I have already provided in the description. Even you can search for DS4 Windows tool on your browser. Now after the website open, here you have to click on download option. Now this will redirect to another page. From here you have to go below and download the DS4 Windows tool. Now after downloading the DS4 Windows tool, you have to connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch the Outer Worlds 2 game and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. So by following these methods, you can easily fix gamepad or controller not working in the Outer Worlds 2 game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.